goose. Chicken wing, hot dogs and bologna. Chicken macaroni, chilling with my homie. Oh.
You got a broom in here somewhere? Yep, there it is.
Don't leave home without it.
Goose. Mama picking on you, Goose.
Goose. Goose.
Hey, Goose.
Goose.
Goose, come here. Is Mama picking on you? Is Mama picking on you, Goose? Mama being mean.
So here we are in the barn, as promised. Today is going to be move-in day for the goats. We got the rest of the plywood laid out in the goat area, and it didn't turn out too bad for using refurbished plywood that we found at the dump. Also, we had the challenge of this cabin is not level, and the walls aren't level, so it was almost like putting together a puzzle, putting the plywood over the existing floor, but it feels so much better. We don't have those soft spots that I showed you in the last video, thank goodness. So I feel a lot safer in here now walking around. I feel safer when the goats get bigger and they're jumping around all over. They're not going to go through the floor. I wish we could remove the floor and have dirt, and a lot of people asked that in the last video, how come you just don't remove the wood floor? The cabin is raised on piers, it's raised up off the ground. So if we were to remove the wood floor, we'd have to figure out how to bring the ground up to the cabin level, and yeah, that would be just way, way too much work. So fingers crossed that this will last for quite a while. We also got the half wall built, and that again was material that was given to us, some 2x4s that were given to us. And so Stuart D nailed it and put together the half wall yesterday. We went to Home Depot to get the linoleum that we wanted, that utility vinyl that I told you about. They didn't have enough, and of course they had no clue when they were going to be getting more in. So we went over to North 40 and we decided to check out the stall mats. I was opposed to the stall mats because of the seams, and after looking at them, I actually like the idea of the stall mats much more than the utility vinyl because they are so thick. And as far as the seams, I read some people were saying just, as long as you have enough pine shavings or something like that down, it kind of creates like a natural caulking, so to speak, where it'll trap that urine from going underneath. So that's what we're hoping will work. We'll see. This winter will be the test to see how well it works, and we're going to keep a close eye on it, and if we need to make some tweaks after this winter, then we will. So I'm going to get to work in cleaning up this mess in here, getting everything organized. I'm not going to video that. I'm not going to bore you with me doing some more cleanup, and yeah, so see you when I'm done. How am I going to do this, Goose? These things are heavy. These things are heavy. Yes, mommy's tired. Those things are heavy, guys. Stop, Goose. Goose, be nice. So here's the goat space. So what we plan on doing is stalls that will pretty much cut this room in half, and then we'll have dividers in the stalls. And the back stall we're thinking we might do in an L shape or long ways this way for a birthing stall. So that way the mama goat has more room, and depending on how many babies she has, they'll have plenty of room. So, but we're not going to be able to do that until over the winter. It'd be a nice winter project. So what we're going to do for now is I've got 6 bags of pine shavings, and I'm going to put a really thick layer here where there's no horse mats, and of course a layer on the horse mats, and then straw on top of that for their bed. And fingers crossed, that will help hopefully stop any moisture from sitting on that plywood on the floor and causing us issues later on down the road. The cats have already done a great job in killing some mice. We were in here yesterday and found a mama mouse and 3 babies. So I guess they found a nest somewhere. I don't know where, but that's okay. They're doing their job. We've got the grains and the chicken food, everything in bins to keep the mice out of that. So hopefully while the cats are doing their job, it's not inviting more mice in. Hopefully. Nothing in there, Liberty. It's all gone. But you already peeing in here? Alright guys, I hope you like this video. We'll get that straw in here and a couple other little tweaks that we got to do, but other than that, everything else can wait till over the winter. Hopefully this works out for a perfect barn for us. I'm super excited to see what happens throughout the winter. So, see you on the next video. We love you guys. Bye.